If your dishwasher isn't draining properly, there are a few quick and easy checks that you can take before calling in a professional or buying a new one. First things first, make sure it's turned off at the mains. The first thing to check is that the filters in the bottom of your dishwasher are draining properly.
To do this, you need to remove the lower basket, which should simply roll out. With some dishwashers, you may need to remove the spray arm. Then unscrew and remove the filter, and you can wash it easily under the tap. If you use your dishwasher regularly, make sure you wash your filter about once a week.
If cleaning the filters doesn't fix your drainage problem, the next thing to check is the waste hose, which carries the dirty water away from the machine.
You'll find it at the back of your dishwasher. Check that it's not bent or squashed, because if it is, that'll have an effect on how well it drains water.
If your dishwasher waste is attached to your sink waste, then it's worth checking that too to see if it's blocked. If it's still not draining, then it's time to call an expert. Visit Which trusted traders, where you'll find hundreds of reviews from Which members on traders and repair workers in your area. If your dishwasher is beyond repair, or you think it might just be cheaper to buy a new one, join Which, where you'll find hundreds of reviews and the most reliable brands.